5 car tips for a winter's day. Fill up with freeze-resistant windscreen washer fluid. If, according to the forecast, frost is on the way, make sure to fill up the washer tank with a freeze-resistant fluid while the temperature is still above zero. If the temperature has dropped dramatically and you haven't had an opportunity to drain the summer washer fluid, which is now frozen, add freeze-resistant fluid to it and park the car in a heated car park or garage. Freeze-resistant fluid will speed up the thawing of frozen fluid. When selecting a product, pay attention to its freezing point as well as the fluid type. The washer, fluid concentrate or ready-to-use solution must be suitable for the climate of the region where your car is used. Treat the door locks with a suitable lubricant. If moisture gets into the door mechanisms in winter, it can make it difficult to get into the car. If this happens and the driver's door won't open, try opening the other doors. Both the lock itself and the door mechanism can freeze. To prevent this from happening, these components should be treated in advance. Use a special grease or liquid like WD-40. These products are not only excellent at removing moisture, but also have a defrosting effect. You can also treat bonnet and boot locks with the same product. Lubricate the door seals. Frosty door seals can also prevent access to the passenger compartment. In winter, they become stiffer and may not cling to surfaces sufficiently, which means they don't work properly. To prevent the doors from freezing and make sure they open easily, treat their seals with a silicone compound. Use a towel or sponge to evenly distribute the product.
Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself.
Use a windscreen cover. Protecting the windscreen with a cover before leaving the vehicle outside for a long time helps you to avoid wasting time removing ice from it afterwards. To do this, move the windscreen wipers to the service position, place the cover on the windscreen and secure it. You can protect your mirrors from icing up too by putting covers or regular polythene bags over them. The windscreen cover will also help prevent the wiper blades from freezing to the glass. If the wipers are frozen to the windscreen, switching them on can damage not only the rubber of the wiper blades, but also the mechanism. That's why it's not recommended to set the windscreen wipers to automatic mode, as they'll then be triggered when the ignition is switched on. If the car is covered with snow and the windows are icy, a scraper, brush and defrosting spray may come in handy. A shovel can help clear snowdrifts around the car. Speaking of which, there are folding models for easy storage in a car boot. Treat the glass from the inside. The windows tend to fog up during the winter season. A special anti-fogging agent will help you avoid this. Spray the product evenly on the inner surface of the cleaned glass. Using a microfiber cloth, rub it all over the surface in a circular motion. Life hack: before leaving your car parked for long periods, open all the doors for a few minutes to equalize the temperature outside and inside the passenger compartment. This will reduce the likelihood of the windows fogging up.